Hey everyone, it's me, Katie, and today I'm just going to be buying myself Year Star VIP. I haven't been VIP since like last June, maybe even May. I can't even remember. And I saw that they have an Easter sale, so I'm really getting Star for 60, which is how much regular VIP costs. So yeah, I'm just gonna buy it, put in my my card information and everything, and then I'll be right back and we can choose our colors and everything and see what the pet looks like. Alright guys, so here we go. So I know I was in VIP for so long and it really sucked. Like it gave me no motivation at all for this game. I didn't ever want to come on because it was just so boring. Like there was nothing to do. I know that sounds horrible of me, but there was really like nothing to even I really love that blue. Oh my gosh. Um it was boring, honestly. Trying to find what blue this is. I really love the boots. I love everything. I love this. Oh my gosh, that animal looks adorable. I'm not really changing the colors much because I think it's adorable and I love it so much. Um, so yeah, I'll be more active on here. I am going to be deleting some friends just due to lag, but if I see you supporting me, I'll definitely add you, you know? It drives me crazy when I get messages from people and it's nonstop just them asking me for stuff, if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm a little sick right now. Um, but like, if you're just on my friends list to ask me for stuff and I see that you never do anything else but that, I definitely delete them. And then I obviously delete inactive people. But yeah. So, I mean, I am deleting people, but I'm also adding people, so if that makes any sense at all. Okay, let me see what this outfit looks like. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna actually explode. Oh, it's so cute. The hair is really pretty. I think it could have been a little better, but that hair is gorgeous. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's just perfect. It's actually perfect right now for freaking almost April. Oh my gosh. I'm also so close to the next level. I'm 2.5 million away, so please help me. I'm obviously going to be going on Boost and everything and supporting people back, so help a girl. Please, please, please. I I knew I was going to be buying VIP again. I was waiting for a sale because I knew they always did a summer sale. I didn't know they do Easter sales, so I'm glad I saved, 20 bucks on this. I mean, I know the original price of VIP was like, wasn't it like $55? I can't remember. I don't even know how much diamond packs are anymore. I know they used to be 40, I think. Are they still 40? No, they're 45 now. So they went up by $5. Wow. Sorry, this must be super boring. I'm excited though. I've been on this game since 2013 and it's fun. I love everyone I've met on here and I love giving back. So I think as VIP I can definitely give back a little more. I can put more people in my movies, even though they don't get many views, but at least it's something. So yeah, please feel free to add me. Please, please support me. I'll definitely support you all back now that I can. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.